Okay, this video is solving matrix equations part 2. So I stopped the other one after just solving one, and I'm going to show you guys how to solve more of them. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to take this second matrix equation that we wrote and we're going to solve it in the calculator. So what I need to do is I need to go back into matrix and I need to go to edit, and I'm going to edit matrix A. So matrix A is now a 3 by 3. So I'm going to put that in and see it fills in the values that weren't there with zeros. I need to fill in all my values. So 2, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 14, 1, negative 9, and negative 3. After you put in your first matrix, you need to quit. Go back into matrix. Go to edit. Edit the second one, which is going to be our constants. And I'm going to edit matrix B. This time it's a 3 by 1, so I'm going to change the dimensions and then put the values in. Now it turns my fraction into a decimal, which is totally fine. I'll let the calculator do that. And I'm going to quit over here, out of here. Now remember, we want to do the matrix, the inverse of matrix A times matrix A. And make sure that it gives me identity matrix. Which this one, it kind of messed up just because of that fraction. It did round the fraction, but that's the same value as 0. That means 0. So it's okay. So now I'm going to do the inverse of matrix A times matrix B. And it gives me these crazy decimals. I'm going to see if it'll give me a fraction, and it will. So it tells me that my solution is, as a point, 7,550 over 1,137, comma, 973 over 1,137, comma, negative 655 over 1,137. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. As simple as that. I'm going to go on and do the next one, which is this guy right here. So go back into your matrix, go to edit. We're going to edit A. A is still a 3 by 3. We just need to put in our new values. Negative 1.5, 1, negative 4, negative 3, 2, 9, 6, negative 1, negative 3. I'm going to go quit, go back into the matrix, edit B. B is still a 3 by 1. The values are 9, 11, and negative 9. Quit. This time I'm not going to multiply A by its inverse because I know it's going to give me the identity matrix. But I am going to do the inverse of A times B still. Oops. Which gives me these crazy numbers. And I'm going to make the calculator turn them into a fraction for me. So it gives me, as a point, negative 98 over 159, 358 over 53, and negative 77 over 159. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Now the last one that I did was kind of tricky because I told you that I could write it two different ways. And I'm going to show you that either way we wrote it gives us the same answer. So on this guy right here, I'm going to edit my matrix. A is still a 3 by 3. I just need to change the values. I'm going to quit out of here and I'm going to go back and edit matrix B. Still a 3 by 1. I just need to change my values. And now I'm going to multiply the inverse of matrix A times matrix B. And it gives me these crazy numbers. See if it'll turn it into a fraction for me, and it will. It gives me negative 64 over 17, 129 over 17, and 35 over 17. I just wrote it as a matrix instead of a point. I'm going to go and do the second one the same way. So I'm going to go in there and edit the matrix. Edit matrix A. Still a 3 by 3. The values are 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, negative 4, 2, 0, 9. Quit out of there. Go back in. Edit matrix B. Still a 3 by 1. It's now 19, 7, 11. Get out of there. Do the inverse of matrix A times matrix B. Gives me these crazy numbers, so I'm going to turn it into a fraction, which if you look right here, it gives me the exact same solutions that I just got. So it doesn't matter the order that you put them in, just as long as your equations are all together. And that's it.